Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert online image in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that insert online image. Now going to the insert menu option. Then click for the image option. Now click for the insert and over the cells. Then click for the Google image option. Now search from the image. Then search from the any name from the image. Then choose the image. Now for click. Then click for the insert option. That's it. Then I show the insert online image in Google Sheets is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.